Here I've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to pick system, so it's the last icon, and then go to date and time. And now you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can change it to manual one, so simply unclick it and then select date and time manually by yourself. Then you can do the same thing with time zone, so you can switch off the automatic one and then select it by yourself. So as you can see, you've got plenty of them here. Let me pick, for example, Sydney. And finally, you can either use 24-hour format lock, or you can switch it off and have 12-hour format lock, but it's all up to you. Then if you would like to go back to automatic settings, simply click on this switcher, and then here just decide if you would like to use network provided time or GPS provided time. I rather definitely network provided time. So that's basically all. This is how you can set up date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.